Okay, so I just had to go rescue my uncle. Apparently, the big tire on the planter, it and the axle fell off. So, nothing was broke, just the pin that holds the wheel in place, it fell off. So, I had to go up there with the tractor and pallet forks and pick it up, and we slid it back on and stuck a hitch pin in there to get her, just to get her back going. So he's planting up yonder on a farm. We're done with corn, and he started soybeans yesterday. He's working on a 40-some acre farm up there right now. And then I'm going to another 40-acre farm to disc, and then I'm going back to our neighbor here to disc. So this lovely hunk of junk, 6420, that I actually like, but I hate. It's a love-hate relationship with this tractor. Anyway, so yes, I would call this, I'm sitting here thinking, I consider this a poor man Kentucky version Turbo Max. Now, when I say Turbo Max, I'm talking about like what Brian Brown there in Ohio, another YouTuber, got that big 40-foot turbo till or whatever, Great Plains. Yeah, well, this is the Kentucky version, a cheap 10-foot disc, and you're bouncing around all over the place, and you don't have air ride suspension and everything like that. Anyway, no, but that Turbo Max Great Plains attachment probably would make this job a whole heck of a lot easier. If you remember the video last year of the 9R sitting in our driveway, our neighbor has one, and it makes his field smoother ahead of the planter, and that's what I'm doing, working ahead of the planter. See, I done that whole area right there, and then I did this area. That area right there is just nothing but wet. So I'm not doing the whole field or farm. I'm just doing wherever water has been rolling this past winter, and I've noticed several ruts. I'm finding a couple right here, but it ain't. See, the corn's gonna run this way, but not corn, beans. So I ain't too worried about the little ones. So yeah, we're just walking around here. There's a big one on the 5-acre field right there. So yeah, I think I've got pretty much everything on this one. I've already been over there onto the pond side, and I've done the middle field here. So now I'm going to cross this creek here and go over that. I think that's the only spot. It's right there. I think the rest of it's good. And then I move on back the little lane road back there and hit those two fields. So I was gonna plan on doing some GoPro, but I forgot my GoPro in my truck, and it's dead too. So whatever. Anyway, all right. So yeah, I'm back here now, and this is quite a bit of a wet area back in here. Yes, it is. And I know my windshield is dirty. Get over it. I mean, every time I watch a video and they say somebody's complaining about their dirty windows, it's farm equipment, people. We don't clean our windows all the time, except for the combine and the planter tractor, for the most part. This tractor, it gets lucky if it gets windows clean. I mean, yes, when it does get too terrible bad and I can't see at it, I'll take the water hose and spray it off. But that's about it. Just so I can make sure I can see what's going on back here. So, So yeah, I'm gonna do this decent sized area, and then I'm going over the other side of the trees to that field and take care of that one. So there we go. Alright, well, I got her done. And it's getting mighty interesting around here. I just checked the radar, and it is there are thunderstorms to the north of us and to the west, but I don't know if they're going to make it this way or not. I'll have to see what happens. My uncle is planting, I assume he is. He brought the Dodge and the gooseneck back, which has got the seed cubicles on it. So I'm gonna ride back here and check to see how the hay process is going at our neighbors, and we'll go from there.